as we speak, an Air Corps plane is flying back to Ireland containing Kinahan cartel boss Sean McGovern, who will face charges here for murder and gangland crime. Mick O'Toole, crime and defence correspondent with the Irish Daily Star and the Irish Mirror, joins us now. Mick, just firstly, tell us what charges exactly will Sean McGovern faces when he arrives back in Dublin later today.
He is to be charged over the December 2016 murder of an innocent man called Noel Kirwan. Mr. Kirwan was shot dead outside his home in Clondalkin in West Dublin. Now, he was an innocent man. He was basically shot dead by the Kinahan cartel because your listeners may remember he was spotted with Gerry The Monk Hutch at Gerry's brother's funeral, Eddie, in February, March 2016, and the Kinahans really had a little fun then. So Garda have been investigating that. So he's to be charged with that murder on the orders of the DPP. There are also a number of gangland charges, directing a crime gang and participating in a crime gang. Now that's significant. Directing a crime gang can carry up to life. Now you'll know that murder is a mandatory life sentence, but that is a very, very serious sentence. And it also carries, it's up to the judge's discretion, but upon conviction, if there is a conviction, that can also carry a life sentence. So they're very, very serious charges for this McGovern.
I think the plane is due to land later this afternoon. When is he expected to appear in court, Mick?
He has to go straight, the way because it's an extradition, he has to go straight to court. When he lands, it'll be Baldonnel, case in Derridome in Baldonnel. So our guidance is he'll probably land about 5 o'clock. And from there, he will be in Baldonnel. He will be brought straight to the CCJ in central Dublin, where the Special Criminal Court is located, and he will appear in front of 3 judges. So I'd say it'll probably be early, maybe 6 or 7 o'clock this evening.
Just final question: how big a blow is this to the Kinahan crime cartel?
He was described by the Americans in April 2022 when he was one of 7 people connected to the Kinahan cartel as sanctioned as Daniel Kinahan's closest confidant. I'll put it this way, I don't think anybody is any higher in the Kinahan cartel without the name starting with a K. So he is really at the top of the tree in the Kinahan cartel.
Mick O'Toole, crime and defence correspondent of the Irish Daily Star and the Irish Mirror, thank you for talking to Newstalk Breakfast this morning.